This is part 2 of a 4-part series covering why you should consider OTC DAIHEN for your advanced welding and robotic systems. This session covers clean welds, which really encompasses our technology that produces the cleanest welds in the industry. Our exclusive technology produces clean welds without spatter. A big part of that is Welby, welding's best electronic engine. We spent 6 years and over $10 million to develop this custom LSI ASIC chip, and its 20 nanosecond processing is 4 times faster than its nearest competitor. This enables clean CO2 welding and eliminates the need for helium gas, and is applicable to all materials including steel, stainless steel, galvanized steel, galvanneal, aluminum, and exotic materials. Another one of our exclusive technologies is WavePulse 2. WavePulse 2 is the most recent version of our WavePulse technology, which incorporates a stacked pulse inverter welding, which synchronizes the wire feeding on a variety of material, which includes steel, stainless, aluminum, galvanized, and exotic metals. The net results of this technology are reduced weld porosity and improved weld strength, really making it a good choice for a variety of applications. When it comes to robotic welding, Synchro Feed is really the latest and greatest technology available on the market. This combines robotic wire feed control with the Welby weld processing, and the net result of all that is the cleanest weld you're going to find within the industry. In many cases, it produces no spatter at all, and certainly reduces burn through that you see in conventional robotic welding on the right-hand side. The pulse dip transfer that occurs during Synchro Feed welding is capable of weld amperages up to 330 amps with mixed gas and up to 400 amps with CO2 gas. This technology, which synchronizes the weld waveform with the wire feeding, produces a very clean weld. You can see on the left-hand side, there's virtually no explosion because we're extinguishing the arc as we place the weld droplet into the puddle, and that also results in no smoke, compared to the right-hand side where you can see the explosive short circuit happening and the release of spatter and smoke that occurs during those situations. The faster processing results in 4 times better results than our closest competitor. And all this translates into faster welding speeds for higher productivity and cleaner welds. For more about OTC DAIHEN, visit us on the web at www.daihen-usa.com.